Hello to all traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I intend to introduce a scalping strategy to you that is formed from two free indicators and provides suitable buy and sell signals. So stay with me until the end of the video. First of all, enter the Tradingview website and then go to the symbol section and select your symbol. Now you need to choose your time frame. Since this strategy is for scalping, I recommend selecting a 5-minute time frame. Now we need to enter the indicator tab and type STD filtered and pole Gaussian filter. When you find it, click on it to add the first indicator of this strategy to the chart. Now we need to enter its settings and make the necessary changes. Pay attention that all steps should be done correctly. You should know how to use the indicator. This indicator is designed to make trading easier for us by using the signals it generates. Whenever you see signals with the letter L, you can enter a buy trade and make good profits. And when you see signals with the letter S, you can enter a sell trade and make good profits as well. Here you can see that if we risk $100 with the help of this signal, how much profit we could make in our trade. However, we should be careful because in some points, this indicator may lead us into error by producing false signals. To prevent this, we need to raise the accuracy of this strategy. For this purpose, we enter the indicator tab and type 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR. Click on it to add it to the chart. Then enter its settings and make the necessary changes so that this indicator is suitable for our use in this strategy. We use this indicator as a tool for trend detection, and it has very simple explanations. When all candles are above the 200 EMA line, we consider the trend to be upward and look for signs to enter a buy trade. When candles are below the 200 EMA line, we consider the trend to be downward and look for signals to enter a sell trade. Now you just need to know where to enter the trade and where to place your stop loss and take profit. But before that, I want you to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you can stay informed about new videos. We start with a buy order. First, we need to look for a buy signal. Once found, we need to make sure that at this point, the market trend is upward and the price is increasing. If these two conditions are met, we have found an appropriate entry point for a buy trade. Now we need to choose a stop loss for the trade. For this, we just need to find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. For take profit, we just need to consider a risk-to-reward ratio 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, you need to look for a sell signal first. Then you need to make sure that at this point, the market trend is downward and the price is decreasing. Once these conditions are met, you have found an appropriate entry point for a sell trade. Now just place your stop loss slightly above the last swing high. For take profit, consider a risk-to-reward ratio 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, working with this strategy is very easy and simple, and by using this strategy, you can make good profits. You just need to be careful and follow the rules of money management correctly. I hope this video has been useful for you. Goodbye until the next video.